What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. You know it's your girlfriend seeing the great, and I'm back with another video. I'm here today, Vlogmas day 4. Not much in this video, but you guys are gonna see video with me doing my hair, chilling, chatting, you know, cooking, cleaning. For my new subscribers, thanks for the subscribe. For the ones who are just watching, why you haven't subscribed us yet? You ain't gonna regret it. Click that subscription button and tune in. For my returning subscribers, thanks for the support. Guys, enjoy this video, and you can leave a comment and I will definitely do what you guys want me to do next. Okay guys, I'm about to take down my hair and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try my best to do it. Wasn't gonna do any vlogmas today because I'm so tired and exhausted. I'm gonna come home, I'm gonna just pop off the ear and decide to listen. You gotta fix your ear now. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do a little video and show y'all. Not gonna show you when I'm doing it though, but I'm gonna show you what I'm just doing my regular style. Quick weave, middle parts. That's me, quick and fast. I'm done and just go sleep. Get packaged today again, but you know I'm tired. I'm not unboxing anything, but our PJ come, our Christmas PJ come. I'm excited, and y'all know the theme is black and white. It's Christmas. We know that. What's up? Yeah. Pull out my ear. Girl ear growing up. I can still smell my condition in my ear. Like my ear literally don't dirty. It just look like it dirty, but it don't dirty. And I'm not washing it. FYI. I'm just gonna burn this down. I'm gonna do it over. I'm not washing it. I don't care who wanna say, because it's not dirty. It ain't dirty. But yeah, and my girl visit me yesterday. My girl is on. She's here, and she ain't giving me any mood like to do anything. She ain't giving me the mood to, like, you know. But me, it's when my girl is here. Oh, I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Today's Monday. Me had to look at Sunday, Monday. Well, the meats. The oxtail from yesterday, and I'm doing it with some dumplings and corn. So that is for dinner tonight. I'm gonna pull out my ear now the meanwhile. And what are you doing, Asani? Yeah, so man, Fatty. Child, what is this? Can I do my muscles? Nah. But yeah, I'm cooking. That's what I'm gonna say. Yeah, me I cook, and that's what we're cooking. That's what we're gonna eat for dinner tonight. Okay. I call it Sunday, Monday. And I'm gonna finish pull up my hair. I gotta just eat, and then after I finish eat, I just focus on finishing up my hair. I'm gonna show you guys the PJs that we got. Hopefully I can finish before 12 o'clock and finish up so I can post Vlogmas day 4. If not, it's whatever. You probably won't see this video, but if I made it before, we make it. If not, if I get to finish and edit in time to post it, you will see the video. Why glue up here some more? Could I glue up a little more? I mean, now wash it out. I'm sorry. We're gluing it like that. Quick weave my down, please. Quick and fast. It's gonna probably take me about 1 hour. After 6 now. So quick books, bops, bang, bang, boom, shakalak, skash. And we done, okay? I feel like me da joke around earlier, you know. I get one scissors. Yeah, as I made that say, the girl come and she just never give me no vibes. You know, the monthly thing, yeah. Come pop up on me yesterday. It was supposed to come. When it come? What I not even remember. Same thing. I can't see her yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. Yesterday. Never give me no vibes. But we are work. My chicken we are jerk. So come back. I remember when I used to love cut my ear. Last time I cut my ear 2 years ago, you know, cut it off short in my walk. You want to see me look like one little boy. One little boy. I have to be careful, you know, because the ear long. I mean, I want to cut wrong. Talk about cut, you know, so what they may pull out a sunny ear and me see the end of the little boy ear them cut. When me ask him, the food finished now. The TV now go watch tonight, me a talk. Use your tablet. That's what you get it for. The food's so finish. But yeah, guys, see the look of what and I'm ear clipping. I may ask him, I say, Asani, you cut your ear? No. I say, you cut your ear, but don't take me for the idiot and tell me a lie. I say, no, me I gonna slap you. Why you do it? No answer. Child. No, when me get this opinion from, but I can't take him. Cut the ear and tell me, say, him no wanna ear pan him head me for cut it off. Him tired of it. Me say, I lie, I tell you, you don't make that decision there. You will never ever make that decision. That decision has to be made through me. Well, man say, no, you want to comb here like it's a girl pick me out. No, it's not, but I just like to comb his hair. Period. So, I guess you want to see me here. I don't have any problem combing his hair. Like, the only problem is when his hair is to take down. He don't like that. And when it wash and condition and for it to comb out with the condition in it, he don't like that. Other than that, he's perfectly fine. Like getting it comb, getting it wash, all of that, him alright. But when it for comb out and it hot, all hell broke loose. Yeah, but he's okay. He's gonna get through it. He's getting through it. Look on girl ear. Teresa's girl ear. Nice. Girl nice and natural ear. Period. And guess what? We're gonna braid it all down and put for a 0 over it. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. All this here with falls here. Child. So them not kill nobody. Talk them attack. Run up on them in and knock it. Run up on them ends and knock it. Guys, been this girl and forever this girl. Okay. So I'm down to the last one. And then I'll just wash my hands, share dinner, eat. And when I finish eat, I just start doing my hair. I'm not think I video that because I'm my old tracks them I put in. And just curl that up on bed. Ready for bed it down. Bed it down. Close out the vlog and edit up and show and you know the thing. You know the badness go. Child, my belly is hurting me. here, the little thing then run the back of the glue that, you know, just scrape on it. One time I usually wear like 2 cap when I do my hair or glue my hair. But when I put on the 2 cap, it tight, man. It make my head tight. I don't want to headache, so I'm gonna do it. But I still not apply too much glue to the hair when I glue it down, so that as a yeah, I don't like wear my natural hair because it makes me look too young and look like too much of a child. And my work when me do, I don't want to feel like say me a little pitney, even though they know. But you know when random people be seeing you, cause I've been facing random people's like they be thinking, are you a child or are you a grown woman? Because people be asking me my age and I'm be like, grown enough to be here. I'm like, okay. I've been always getting that though. Like, how old are you? Or, you know, you don't even look like you past 18 or you just look 18. Child, you say what? I'm a whole. Okay. I'm a whole girl. I'm old. A joke. Guys, this is dinner. I never remember how nice this is. This are gonna be my go-to. This is gonna be my go-to vegetable on the side. Because trust me, this never miss. Never miss. Trust me. Love it. I never remember say so nice it is, especially with all rice and peas and chicken when you eat. She's a child. I eat with a fork. Sometimes I might eat with a spoon. It's not bad with you. Nice bad. Okay guys, so I'm finished. I'm actually flat iron, leave out. I'm glad I'm finished. Cause child, I'm tired. The leave out is one of the part where I not like though. Like this hairstyle that you see me doing is my go-to hairstyle. Like I love that hairstyle here. Me, my favorite style to do. It's just natural and because I quick weave it quick whoops bops, quick time, finish. So I'm gonna go glam up on everything tomorrow morning when I go work. I'm gonna do it good. I'm do edges and all of that. Right now I'm just do it, tie it down, clean up the place, wash up the 2 dish them and the pot.
Oh my goodness, Hulk, you're so...
Timo. heat damage, you know. No, this side is crusty, you know. So dry, you can't get heat damage. Across the good ear. Guys, I like it how it comes out so well. Just flex up, and as I say, I never wash it. So come flex in a place to lay down and don't exalt in yourself. Ain't nobody got time for y'all. First of all, I have eczema bad. That's one. So if you see my face dry and see me look scaly, just know say the eczema don't say nothing. Alright, blame it on the eczema. Well, yeah, guys, this is it. This is it. This is it. This is all it. It's finished. My go-to hairstyle. I think I got a routine for about a week and a half or so. We'll see. Me and the big head. This is me. Okay. One thing, the lash them, I got lash. These lash do let me see, the week in a Thanksgiving. And it's a whole on steam. It's firm and strong. Yeah. My girl be doing her thing, okay? Alright guys, so I finished all of that. Clean up the bathroom, vacuum, sweep. Now me I wash up the dish and I go wipe. Clean off the counters and everything, the table, wipe. And then go to bed because I'm tired now. When I lay down, when I'm in bed, I'll edit, post, and then go sleep because I'm tired. So I'm gonna tie my hair down. You know, tomorrow before I go work, I wake up, do my little edges, and all of that. You know, one of them morning you never do a little vlog. It's okay, put it down and go sleep. You need to go to your bed. I have enough time to do what I'm doing now. Hurry up. I wash them plates, put them in the dishwasher. Wipe off the counter and the stove. I'm going to share my food out for lunch tomorrow. Anytime when me bring my lunch and go work and warm it up, and people ever wonder, what you eating? Smells so nice. What is it? What is that? And then them something, you know, and they just no. No? Let's cry. I don't understand when you enough anyway, so now them to see this, they don't understand me. I'm trying to pick up here. Oh no! You know I'm gonna love this. Child. Guys. Now something upon me now. When me I go through that phase here, I don't want to be seen right now. Place. You know, dash me for dash of that bun, yeah? It tastes nice, you see, and it's so soft and nice, but guess what, I forgot dash it with. Because I have it there and never that eat it.
That 5 for you, I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, doing, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here, I'm saying. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. the moment. You just too important. Nobody, nobody like you do. You do. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying? And I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
Okay guys, that's it for the night. I'm finished. I'm gonna take a shower and relax, edit and post this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.
Can we get it together?